All right, guys, here we go. As of right now, it is 6:25 a.m. Market opens in about, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see on the top left-hand corner, 4 minutes and 40 seconds as of right now. This is pretty much what I'm watching. Overall high points for /CL, overall low points for /CL. So trying to get a good deal on UWT, waiting for more of a consistent uptrend, adding more to my position size, and trying to see if I can make a decent amount of money before the natural gas report. So yeah, really excited. Today is one of my favorite days when it comes down to day trading in the stock market. It's the natural gas report. It comes out 1 hour after the market opens every Thursday if it stays on schedule and there's no holidays. So it's usually my most successful day trading. I'm already up over $12,000 this week. As you guys can see, for the past 3 days of trading, I made 7.3K, 1.4K, and yesterday I had a 3.3K day. So absolutely killing it. So far, one of my most successful weeks, and seeing if I can end it at around 15 to maybe even 20K profit this week. So let's go ahead and have some fun, make some money. All right, here we go. So what happened here, if you guys can see that, is that we got a huge sell-off on /CL, which is, good for DWT, because the more that this sold off, the more that DWT, which is the inverse ETF, pushed up. Once it found a support, right, it started to push up. Check this out. Like that MACD indicator. So it pushed up, became overextended, became overbought, not so much of a good deal. And it looks like now it's pulling back, and the pattern is actually following as well. So we might actually see a pullback before we actually see this thing continue to uptrend. So we might see a double bottom first, and then we'll most likely see this thing push up. Market opens in about 3 minutes, as you guys can see right here. So let's go ahead and move on over to the trading room. Better grab this. There we go. Got some little lemonade for the boys. There we go. Alright, here we go. Let's have some fun. Team, check this out. So there's a huge push up right now on /CL. So first of all, the natural gas report came out, caused a huge sell off on /CL, which caused UWT to pull back. I had to cut losses on that. Honestly, should have sold much earlier, but regardless, sold off. Was able to do the dip by opportunity, and as it was pushing up, made back my money, made about $1,200 on that one. Now /CL is getting rejected around this general area. If you guys can see right here, right around that middle VWAP, right around that SMA line. It's been getting rejected here all during pre-market hours. Again, at 7:48 right now, we're making lower lows. The more that this thing sells off, the more money that we'll make, as you guys can see on the right hand side on DWT. So right now, so far, I'm up $1,800 on the day, and it is 7:49. There we go. So we're actually making higher highs. So I'm going to add a little bit more to my position size right here. This is going to be the last time that I'm going to add more, and just trying to get filled. So again, all I'm really focused on is making sure that I get in for a good entry, that I add more to my position size, the more that it makes me money. And it looks like, we're confirming the sell off here. So the more that this thing sells off, I expect it to maybe hit lows of 51.50, and then I'll lock in profits on ticker symbol DWT. That I was recording, and my SD card got full. So just so you guys can see right here, and it looks like this one's already full already. So $2,400 on the day. There we go. And as you guys saw, it played out exactly as planned, and it ended up hitting the support and bounced right away. So really happy with how we closed out that position. All right, team, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I ended the day a little bit over $3,100 profit. I had an absolute blast trading with the Learn Plan Profit team. We did do a little live trading session. And again, my first initial trade during that live trading session didn't go according to plan. When the natural gas report came out, not only did it drop the price in ticker symbol UGADS, but it also dropped the price on UWT. Ended up having to cut losses on that, ended up having to, buy the dip once we received confirmation and aggressively added to my position size, ended up locking in profits. And then I sent out a quick little reminder to the Learn Plan Profit group under our trade idea section, as you guys can see right here, that then
/CL became a little bit more on the overbought side, ended up being able to buy the dip on DWT and then sold for a profit. Again, really looking forward to being able to end the overall week on a green note. This is my biggest week when it comes down to trading in the stock market, so I'm really happy that I've been able to share that with each and every single one of you. I'm up over $15,000 in just 4 days of trading, and again, really looking forward to ending it on a green note. Again, I do want to invite you guys, you heard me talk about them in this video. If you guys like the way that I break things down, if you guys are ever interested in maybe learning more about the stock market, first of all, I do want you to click the first link in the description. It's the largest free Facebook group for those who trade in the stock market. We have over 210,000 members all across the world, and if you want to take trading to the next level and you're a complete beginner and you're ready to take advantage and utilize the extra time that you have this summer to learn how to trade, I would love to work with you on a closer basis. The only group that I work with on a closer basis that gets to watch me trade live, that gets access to the beginner friendly course, and gets access to the private group chat where you can ask me any specific questions is the second link in the description. It's the Learn Plan Profit group, and again, that is the only group that I work with on a closer basis. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments section. Like always, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.